So I've got the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, and today I'll be showing you how to check the battery level. Now, the easiest way to do this obviously is just go to the app, and in the app you can see the battery level. You can see mine is currently at 91%, which is the current battery level for the glasses. Now, for the case, the easiest way to tell is to simply either open up like that or just press the button at the back once, and if you see green, it means they're fully charged or somewhere near fully charged. If this light is orange, if you press once like that, that means they do have some charge, but they could do with some charging. Okay, basically they're not fully charged. You can charge them, but they're still usable. If the light is red, then it means it's either completely empty or very close to empty. Now, if you put the glasses in the case, which I'm gonna do just now, you can actually see the battery percentage of the glasses and the battery percentage of the case. So you can see all that information right there. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.